Ayo, Grace, your mother is looking for you. Ayo, Grace, Mama need here. Ayo, Grace, ayo, anything around me. Ayo, Grace, ayo, anything around me. Thank you very much. Beginning with contestant number 1, introduce yourself. Thank you.
Thank you very much. This is Mr. Ongombe Angel Gilbert. Yeah, once again, I'm Mr. Ongombe Angel Gilbert, one of the judges.
Judge number 2.
My name's Arogwang Bosco James. Judge number 2.
Judge number 3.
Redin Rena again are my names. I am Culture and Tourism Ambassador, Karamoja Association.
Judge number 4.
My name is Pius Lover, judge number 4.
Enough, thank you. Oh, there's another one. I knew there were only 4. Thank you very much. And the behind bench is members of Karamoja Cultural Association. Hey, let them introduce themselves. Good
evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Betty Lomuria, Konyem, and Chapas from Karamoja Cultural Association. Thank you so much.
And those are our Miss Tourism Queens.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Moru Consolata, first runner-up Miss Tourism Karamoja.
Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Fatuma Naken, second runners-up Miss Tourism Karamoja.
Thank you. KCA.
Good evening, friends. I'm called Caroline Apeyo. I'm the secretary to Karamoja Cultural Association.
Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jessica Acholi Apeyo, in charge of the cultural ambassadors. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Moses Loburu, the outgoing Mr. Culture.
Thank you very much.